Welcome back to Excel for Economics. In this video, we're going to be talking about tables. So on how to define a table. So if we highlight our entire range here, we can actually convert this to a table by just clicking on the table button. And this says you want to create a table of this range. Yes, I have headers, so it knows what the headers are. And then I just simply say OK. So now I've got a table which I can use, which is going to be named table. Now, if I'm interested in changing the name, I got table 1 as my table. So if I wanted to change this in any way, then I'd have to edit this or remove this in some way. So I might be able to change my table if I want to call it super table or something like that. I could actually change the name of that table that's already defined over there. Okay. Index. So now let's say what I want to look up is do a VLOOKUP. And what am I looking up? I'm looking up M6. In my table, so table 1, looking up the column index number. Let's just say 3. And I'm looking for true. So I don't like that. So it's not available. I could be looking up things in the headers. So if I'm looking up N7, so I want the header to be this. Look up. Looking up this value in the table, table 1. I'm going to call it, I want to find X match. What do I want to match it on? Well, I want to match it on the open column. And I'm going to say table 1. And here, what I can do is I can select the headers. Note the headers down here. So now it's going to look up my match. So I'm trying to match open, and it's going to give me return the value where it finds that. So it's going to get 6, and then open 14739. If we want to extract the headers themselves, table 1, square bracket, hash headers, square bracket, and this will give me all the values. Okay, and if you're looking to remove some of the names, you can use the name manager, and we can delete this data, and we can delete table as well. Can't delete table in the name manager, but we can delete our data from other ones. If we want to convert this thing back to just a range, we right click, find table, and then we say convert to range. Convert this to a normal range, we say OK. And now it's gone. It's just a regular table again. Okay, and we will see you in the next video.